In this Xmas traffic review, I'm going to be showing you a way that you can get 100% free traffic sent to any link of your choice simply by purchasing this product. And make sure you stay to the end of this review. And I'm also going to be showing you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, and a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Xmas traffic, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses here that you're going to be getting if you purchase through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at Xmas traffic together. It says this Xmas, get the best present of all. Push one button and enjoy free daily traffic all year. No experience, email list, or tech skills required. Completely set and forget. Submit any URL once and get free daily traffic forever from multiple sources. Works in any niche. Includes all his traffic products released in 2021. So not only do you get this traffic, but you also get more traffic. Essentially, he's just going to be sending you traffic to your link. So step one, you pick up a copy of this. Step two, you just follow the instructions and you submit your link. And then step three, you just sit back and you just get the free traffic coming in here. Now they say see results like this. I can't verify that this traffic sent this results here. I know that Dawood has made a lot of money. He is very good at selling products and doing like affiliate marketing and stuff, but I can't guarantee that. But that's some results that they've shown there. If we scroll down through this sales page stuff, here's the extra products that you're going to get here. So you get all these extra products that he's put out this year. Here's results that Dawood has had. He's been making very good money doing internet marketing. He's been doing very well for himself. For this, you get all these things. You get the product, you get the bonuses for a very low one-time price. Now, 1 second here, wait up. What you're going to want to do is move your mouse away when you come to the sales page and a discount comes on here. Now, I make less as an affiliate by showing this to you, but I always show these discounts. Please give me a like if you like the fact that I do this and you want me to keep doing it in the future. Okay, let's go over and take a look at a video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'll be back to show you the backend area and the OTOs and discounts.
It's that time of the year, folks. The snow is falling. Santa and the reindeers are getting ready to load up their sleigh, and children across the world are hanging up their stockings and trying to be on their best behaviour. But what about us grown-ups here in marketing land? Well, this year I've decided to give away the greatest gift of all this Christmas. The gift of daily traffic forever. Hi, I'm Dawood Islam, and along with my little helper and launch partner Mark Jenkins, we're going to give you the best Christmas treat you've ever had. In just 60 seconds from now, you can be set up with free buyer traffic each and every day from 5 different traffic sources, including one brand new one unknown to virtually all marketers. Welcome to Christmas traffic. I'm giving you the chance to enjoy free daily traffic from this brand new rotator for the rest of this year and every single day throughout 2022. All you need to do is submit any URL of your choice in under 60 seconds and we'll do all the rest. Here's what you get with your amazing Christmas traffic package. Firstly, place any URL on our brand new Christmas traffic rotator. This new rotator is currently completely empty, so those who act fast will enjoy 10 times more traffic than those who delay. Secondly, place any URL, or the same one, on our triple traffic rotator and enjoy free daily traffic forever in any niche. Thirdly, you guessed it, place any URL on our traffic time rotator for even more free daily traffic. Fourthly, place your URL on our Place Your Link rotator for free daily traffic from my own websites in the MMO niche. Fifthly, place any link on our Promote Your Offer members area and see people incentivized to sign up for your offer. And sixthly, learn how to get free organic traffic on demand whenever you need it with our amazing Total Traffic training. Getting all this is easy. Step 1. Pick up your copy of Christmas Traffic before the price goes up. If you delay, you will pay more. Step 2. Submit any URL of your choice in under 60 seconds. And step 3. Sit back and enjoy free daily traffic now and forever from 5 different traffic sources. But remember, those who act quickly will enjoy a 10 times traffic boost by getting their links on the brand new Christmas Traffic Rotator before everyone else. So be sure you act today and submit your links immediately. So, this Christmas, pick up the gift that keeps on giving. Because with Christmas Traffic, it really is Christmas every day of the year. Ho ho ho! We'll see you on the inside.
So this is the backend area that you'll have access to after you purchase. You've got your overview here, your main training on how to do everything, how to submit your URLs, your different resources for this, conclusion, bonuses, all inside of this backend area. Now there are multiple OTOs. The first one, it says 10 times your results with the pro version, but here's what I want you to do. For this pro version, you're gonna want to click on that no thanks button. It's gonna bring that price down from 47 to 27 there. So that's a $20 discount. Again, I make less by showing this to you, so please give me a like if you like the fact that I show these discounts. Next one here is you can join their executive club, normally 37, but you know the secret. Click that no thanks button here and you can get it for 17. So a big discount off that one. Reseller rights, normally 47. Click that no thanks button as always, and you're gonna get that for 27 instead. Next one here, you can get done for you weekly campaigns, normally $97 here, but if you click that no thanks button, you can get it for 47. And the last one here is they've got it says get a total traffic fix, get 6 times super solos to 23,000 members for $197. But we know how to click that no thanks button, so make sure you click that and you can bring the price down to 97 there. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. So what do I like about Xmas Traffic and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, the traffic and how good it is. I mean, you might be getting some good traffic, you might be getting some bad traffic. You never really know about it. The amount of traffic, it might be just a few clicks a day, depending upon how many people join the system. So don't be expecting you're gonna get like thousands of clicks every day, but expect to be getting traffic on a daily basis. What do I like about this? For the price of this and getting free traffic, it's a steal. What you wanna do with that traffic, if I were you, is I would get those people on an email list and make sure that you get them on that list so that you can market to them over and over again. You'll take that original free traffic and turn it into free traffic forever. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Xmas Traffic, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out on the YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you again in my next review video.